Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The present progressive tense. When do you use the present progressive tense? We use present progressive tense to talk about actions that are happening in the present. So let's discuss in detail with the help of this written description. I am Muhammad Arsalan and you are watching your own grammar channel Grammar A to Z. To talk about actions in the present are the things that are still going on, are happening now. Example: Mom is knitting a sweater for Sally. I am writing a letter. The phone is ringing. Here is a question. How you can form the present progressive tense? Form the present progressive tense like this: am plus present participle, is plus present participle, are plus present participle. What is present participle? Present participle is the ing form of the verb. Example: show plus ing, showing. Come plus ing, coming. You can use the present progressive tense to talk about future. So let's discuss with the help of this written description. Use the present progressive tense to talk about things you have planned to do or things that are going to happen in the future. To form the present progressive tense, use am, is, and are as helping verbs or auxiliary verbs. Example: when are you taking me to the zoo? We are having a barbecue later this evening. That's all for today. So nice of you. Thank you. If you like this video, please share this video to others and subscribe to my channel.